There she goes. Hey guys, what's going on? So today is the day that we're going to take the truck to the dyno. I've never done this before, but we're going to give it a shot with the truck. So stay tuned and hopefully you guys will enjoy what you see. How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
I'm excited. Just getting it strapped up now. The tires barely fit on this thing. Ugh. So we're fixing to do the first pull, got it all hooked up. This is Automotive MD in Edmond, Oklahoma. So unfortunately, they're not going to be able to do the torque. They're just going to do the horsepower. So I'm going to get a come back later when they get that cable fixed to read the torque. But she's all hooked up. We're going to do a run in 0, and then we're going to do one on tune 3 and then tune 5. So the 0 tune is about a 30 horsepower tune. So we'll see what we got with the whatchamacallit, with the second gen swap and everything I got done to. See the first one.
You got a nice program.
Thanks, man. Here's the second one. What's that?
How many settings do you have?
6.
6?
Yeah. And here's the last one. Hopefully this one goes good. There she is. Alright, so there she is. So 480 was the horsepower numbers, the total 482, and then it's like 401, 480, and then 482 on the fifth tune. I'm limited on fuel side. I have a stock lift pump. I have no CP3, no injectors, so I'm pretty happy with that number. It sucks the torque's not there, but we'll get there on another day, another time. So they're backing it out now, and yeah, she turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Always want a little bit more, but hey, it is what it is. Horsepower costs money, so we'll get her there. All right, guys, just left Automotive MD. Man, my heart's still racing. I don't know if you guys have ever put a vehicle on a dyno, but when somebody else is just getting on your stuff, it makes your freaking heart pound. So I'm still like a little nervous. Not nervous, but like my adrenaline's going. So leaving there now, headed home. I'm pretty impressed with the results overall. Started talking to those guys a little bit, man, and they do a dyno day here every once in a while, and I looked at the last dyno day and I had probably 80% of those people beat, so I was happy with that. There's a couple diesels on there. One guy had me beat. I think he was at he was up there in the horsepower range, 550-ish, and everybody else was below what I had put down. So unfortunately, the torque cable was broken, or whatever they hook up to read the torque. So they're gonna hook me up on the next time I go out or come out and get on the dyno. They're gonna hook me up with a deal so I can get the torque readings. But man, I tell you what, it is that's an uneasy feeling just watching your truck getting beat on. But you got to do it just to get the results. You know, you don't build these trucks for nothing. That's what they're built for. But you know, once I get re-geared and everything, hopefully she'll put a little bit more down, if that'll help, and we'll go from there. Once again, the truck has stock fuel, stock lift pump, everything is stock. So I'm once again happy with the results, and we'll not butthurt, so I'm okay with it. Some people, apparently they say a lot of people there get a butt hurt when it comes to the dyno results and telling them their dyno's all jacked up and yada yada yada. But that dyno was a dyno jet, is what they call it. There was no load on it. They said that one's an older one. They can't put a load on it, so I don't know how much that factors in. No matter what, every time you put a vehicle on a dyno, it's going to get different results on every different dyno. So be understanding of that. And I wasn't going in there with the expectations of saying, oh, you know, this is a 10-second truck, I got 900 horsepower. I'm realistic. I was thinking for around 500 and a little less than 500, but hey, it is what it is, and we'll keep building her. We'll get her up there. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the dyno run. Is it something that that you guys think went well? Do you think I could have done better? Do you think the dyno was off? Let me know in the comments. This is my first time doing a dyno. It was scary. It was kind of, not scary, but man, it was nerve-wracking. I was just, you see those dyno horror stories about people's transmissions and stuff just blowing out, people windowing the blocks, man, and that's something that kind of ran across my mind. So thank God that didn't happen. That last pull it felt like an eternity. Just watching it on the video now, and it's only like a second or two long, but it felt like minutes when he was just getting in it. So thankfully everything held together. Drove the truck home, you know, 30 miles home, and no issues, no check engine lights. So I just wanted to clarify something real quick. When I said I had 6 settings and I only say I have 5, I kind of contradict myself a little in the video. So I have 6 settings. I have 0 setting, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 being the highest horsepower tune. 0 is supposed to be like a stock tune, but it's like a 30 horsepower tune, like a tow tune or something. So that's how it's set up from double R diesel. So I just wanted to clarify that real quick. But, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and give me any good feedback in there. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next upload.